All right. So this question is a tricky one because you need to work with something visually, and I would recommend you use blocks to figure it out. But I'm going to break it down here in video format. So the first thing we need to figure out is how many cubes Carrie used, how many small cubes Carrie used to make this big cube. So the best way to think about this, or for me the best way, is to think about layers. So what she needs is 9 cubes to make one layer. Okay. So there we go. Those are 9 cubes. Let me try and draw it. There we go. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm not very artistic. So those are 9 cubes, but she's made an entire cube. So she's actually done it in layers. So she's gone and taken, there we go. She's gone and taken, that's 9 cubes, yeah. She's gone and made it 9 cubes deep. Let me draw there. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what that means is there is a second layer of 9 cubes there and a third layer of 9 cubes there. So if these are 9 cubes in the front, we get another 9 at the back there and another 9 there. And you put them all together, you get a 3 9 cube layers. And another way to figure that out is 9 times 3 equals 27. So basically what I've done there is I've worked out how many cubes there are. It's not the only way to work out how many cubes there are, how many small cubes there are in this one big cube. Another way to do that would just be to count them. Visually in your head, figure out how many there are. But you should come to the answer 27. So 27 is all the cubes there are. Now, sorry, that's my phone. Question 1, 2, 3, and 4 should all add up to 27 cubes. All right, so that's a nice way we can check ourselves. Okay, so let's start. How many of them will have 3 faces painted red? Here's a Rubik's Cube. Maybe this will help us make a bit more sense of it. So let me choose a color that's not here. Let's go with green. So how many of these will have 3 faces that are painted red? So if we painted all of this, let's see if I shaded it all in with green and all over there and all over there. Now, what that means is which ones will have 3 of their sides? Which ones of these little cubes will have 3 of their sides painted? And just the corners will, because I have one of their sides painted here on the front, one of their sides painted here, and one of their sides on the top. Let me use my pointer to indicate. So there, and there. Those are the 3 points. Inside, it won't get any paint on it. So there'll be 3 sides that are painted, 3 sides that are not. Now, if you look at this cube, let me get to yellow. There's going to be one on the corner, another block on the corner, another block on the corner, another block there, there, and there's going to be one around the back, one corner block around the back that we can't see. So that means how many have 3 of their sides painted? It's going to be 8. All right. So that's the first thing we need to do is how many have 3 sides painted? It is 8 blocks because there are 8 corner blocks in this. Okay. Then how many of them have 2 sides painted? Well, if we take a look over here, let's get my blue one out. The only ones that will have 2 sides painted are these ones in the middle. So this one has 1 red, 1 yellow. This one has 1 red, 1 blue. 1 red and then 1 blue, 1 there, and these ones. So it's these over here. So if we worked out how many there were together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I counted the front, and I've already counted that one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's around the back, there's 10 right in the corner. 11 right at the bottom on that side, 12 at the bottom on that side, and that's all of them. So how many of them have 2 sides painted? 12. Finally, how many of them have 1 side painted? And this one should kind of be obvious to us, but it's just that center one right there. So to work out that, how many center ones are there? Well, there are 6 faces to this cube, and that means there are 6 mini cubes in the middle. So that gives us 6 there. And now The last one, no faces painted red. For this one, you've got to understand that right in the middle of this cube that we've made, there is a block in the middle that we can't see, and that'll be 1. But another way to figure out that there's one that hadn't been painted is to go 8 plus 12 is 20, plus 6 is 26. We need an answer here that gets us to the answer 27. But yes, as I said, 27 cubes in total. 8 have 3 faces, 12 have 2, 6 have 1, and 1 has no faces painted, and that all adds up to 27. If that doesn't make sense, come to me and I will happily demonstrate with an actual cube for you. All right, have a good one. Bye.